The National Democratic Working Group, NDWG, a movement led by opposition politician Kofiwa Sikhala, is vowed to organize mass protests against President Mnangagwa's attempt to secure an unconstitutional third term in office. Sana bina mashoko aiwa tano Kofiwa Sikhala osimuka, Kofiwa Sikhala oyane naro achiuya chiti aiwa idi Mnangagwa angapinde mu third term. Kuti vo subscribe oleko tina on the bell icon. Aiwa muZimbabwe sizvamongoziva kuti constitutional limit aiwa yemuZimbabwe inoti president ngaserve for 2 terms. Satona panapa vanhu vepart yaKofiwa Sikhala vanyora vachiti, at a time of our choosing we will call for peaceful protest and mass action to demand justice, equality and freedom. We will not be swayed by the cowardice of others, and we will not be deterred by the regime's threats and violence. The people of Zimbabwe deserve better and will fight for a brighter future. Let the regime and its apologists be warned. The people will not be silenced forever. We will rise and demand justice, equality and freedom. Those who are panapa aiwa na secretary general wa Kofiwa Sikhala achiti aiwa tapina ma protest aiwa kuti tigomisa aiwa any extension iri kufamba itagwa navanhu vachiti 2030 ED anenge ariko. Saka mbotudze mafundo enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pemove rarohwa aiwa nevanhu vaKofiwa Sikhala. Pinda mu comment section wene kuti mafundo enyu saka no subscribe kulike channel tina on the bell icon.